happy Saturday. Long time no see. I know it's been a minute, but you know, your girl has been busy, your girl's been working, your girl has been living life, your girl has been doing a lot of things the past 3 months. I think it's been 3 months since I posted. But anyway, your girl is back. I figured I would start the vlog today. I really honestly didn't know where to pick it up at, but I'm like, just start back, you know what I'm saying? So we are headed, I'm headed to go out to eat at a new spot that opened up in the middle of downtown. It's called Real Tacos. They have the best asada steak tacos, OMG. Anyway, so that's where we're headed. A nice little, you know, it's nice outside. It's like 90 degrees. I'm trying to know who it was. It's like 90 degrees and we just want to have a good time. So I figured I'd start the vlog here. What have y'all been up to? You know, I got some good content for you guys. I did say I've been working. So I have like some projects to share with you. A living room project. I'm gonna also share a project I'm working on in my own home. That'll be in another video, but I didn't just want to come back you know, out the gate with that. You know, let's have a little intro. Sometimes you just need to take a break, and it's hard for me sometimes to multitask, working working my regular part-time, working my Etsy business, doing YouTube, Instagram. Sometimes social media tends to kind of fall back because I have demands from, you know, the other areas. But like I said, your girl is back. We're gonna have a good time. I plan on being consistent as usual. If you've been hanging out with me for the past however many years I've been doing this, you know I usually disappear in somewhere around April and May. It's inevitable. I try to keep up, but I just can't. It gets busy. So anyway, oh, it's hot, babe. Out there pumping gas. I need, OMG, we left the car on. I don't know if that's a good idea. Anyway, y'all, but I'll see you when we get to the restaurant. I'll show y'all what the restaurant is working with and all the things. Hey, baby, you want to say hello?
Gotta see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
So I'm showing you all the she cave that I worked on. This is not necessarily the before. This is kind of midway through the process. I am going to try to insert before pictures of it, but we painted everything, the shelves and everything white. We did the marble on the fireplace and the flooring, and also painted the walls. So now we're at the point where I'm about to style the shelves with some of the items that I picked up from various stores. As you guys see, my little helper roaming throughout helping me with this she cave project. But the colors are mint green. We're doing mixed metals with silver and gold, but the primary color is silver because she loves silver more than gold. And ivory off-white is kind of what we're going with. So I'm gonna start setting this up, and I'll share in a separate video the actual full transformation from beginning to end of this project. But I did want to insert this so you guys could actually see me working on it, and we're about to basically wrap it up so that I can share it with you guys. Are you my little interior helper?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get it to blend with some coffee table books. Yeah. And since there's outlets at the bottom, maybe we'll get some little lamps, right?
Yeah.
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 yeah. All right, guys, let's go to Ross and see what home decor they may have. Let's bring in the browns and the blues back.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
Oh, these little espresso cups are so cute. I don't know what I would do with them. They're really pretty.
Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too.
I'm headed to Ulta to get Jailyn some stuff.
I got $1 for every time you slam the door. I would be the richest girl.
Where's Real Techniques? That's what I'm looking for. This is the setting spray that I see a lot of the beauty makeup artists use. Like when I got my makeup done for my birthday both times, both artists had this gold can, and I've been wondering like, what is this gold can? And this is it. So I'm gonna try to use it myself. But I've been looking for this, trying to find out what this gold setting spray is that they were using. So these are the Real Technique brushes that she likes. I have a lot of these that I use, and so I know she would want this one. I use this one to contour and like do my eyes. And I need a big contour, maybe like this one.
You did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl man, I really love to play. What you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my way.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maury. Happy birthday to you. You gotta make a wish. Today. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Saturday. I'm just in my front room enjoying how pretty of a day it is. Like the sun, it's not completely out, but just the bright light that's coming in, I absolutely love it. But just got up, about to go grab me some food. I was gonna cook, but why am I cooking? Because it's just me. I'm here. I'm solo again on another Saturday morning. And when I'm solo by myself, I feel like that's an opportunity for me to treat myself. So anyway, I'm gonna go pick up me some breakfast, and then I have a few errands that I need to run. It really honestly feels like a lazy day because I got up earlier, went back to sleep, laid in the bed, couldn't get back up. Then I'm like, I'm hungry, and it's like, it's later than I think I'm usually up and out. It's 11 o'clock, y'all. I'm usually up and out of here at like 9, okay? Maybe 8. So anyway, it's just gonna be one of those really chill, laid back days. And it's okay. I have to give myself grace and understand that it's okay for it to be a lazy day. It does not have to be a jam-packed day or a day that I'm productive. And if you wanna go, and if I wanna go lay back in bed, or you, it's okay. Like, I don't know why I feel like it's something wrong if I'm not like just up and at it. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, about to go get me some breakfast. I did do a pickup order at Bath & Body Works for wildflowers and hand soaps because they're on sale. And I think $2.95 and $3.50 for the soaps or whatever. So I'm gonna do that, and I probably need to go slick my edges down, child. I have to actually dye my edges because, and I know some people don't do it when they have braids, but for me, I do put a semi-permanent rinse in and dye my edges, so you may see a little gray, but baby, that's just your girl aging beautifully. No, but I do be trying to cover up my grays, and I need to lay my edges down. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that before I run out. I need household products for the house, and I don't know if I feel like going down by Sam's, but I really need to. So anyway, y'all, we just gonna take the day as it go. Y'all, you know what it is. Ooh. All right, y'all, I just made it to the mall. I'm about to go in here. I know JCPenney always has like cute little girl clothes, so I'm gonna go in here and see if I can get a birthday present for my babe's daughter. And then I'm gonna go to Aunt Annie's Pretzels because why not? I haven't had one in a minute. Here to get my hand soaps. I had done an online order, but only for wildflowers. And then I had forgot to get a sun-drenched linen because I have to have this in my laundry room. It's not focusing. Here we go, right here. But I got these two. These two are new. I haven't had before. Pink Pineapple Sunrise and Mango Papaya Paradise. And then I'm going to get a Cozy Vanilla Almond because I love that. And I was looking for a sun-washed Santal.
Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she...
This one is gonna go in the bathroom, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is the theme of my bathroom. My half bathroom downstairs still has the whole beach theme, and when I saw coconut sandalwood, I know sandalwood Santal smells good, and then I love coconut, but then it has the whole beach theme. I'm like, perfect. I'm not a fan that this is pink, but you know, it's springtime, so we can have a little color. And then my little plant, guys, is doing so good. This plant at this point, it's been a year and a half. Yeah, since my granddad's death. Yeah, so this is a year and a half plant, and I'm so proud of myself. It doesn't need much. I do want to figure out why this leaf right here is doing this, if I need to cut it off. But before I cut it off, I want to do some research. It doesn't take a lot of water. I maybe water it like twice a month, but I make sure I open the blinds so that they can get like, you know, some sunlight in. So yeah, I definitely know it needs to be repotted. I'm 100% scared to repot it because I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, and I feel like if I repot it, I'm gonna kill it. If you know how to take care of a corn plant, please let me know what I can do for it. I did cut the tips off. You see, I cut the tips off because they were brown, and I guess that was okay. I saw that you do it online, so you know, so far those leaves are still strong and healthy. But let your girl know some pointers. You know, I don't have a green thumb, but I'm doing really good with this one. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to just sit down. And that's my babe calling me. Survival of the Thickest on Netflix. Season 2 is out. I don't know if you guys watch it. If you watch it, let me know down below. But it's so good. It is a really good scripted show. This is what, season 2 I just said. But I'm on the 3rd episode, and I would advise you to watch season 1 first. Definitely watch season 1 first. But it is a really good show. So anyway, like I said, it's on Netflix. I'm about to just relax for a little while and get it in. Tomorrow, like I said, we're going to South Georgia, so I'm just trying to relax because it's gonna be a long day of traveling.
I wish I knew